I chose the program to further my career and service careers. I like to do landscaping and mowing, weed eating, spraying. Safety in our program is really important. Before I joined the program, I never wore gloves or safety glasses to weed eat or spray. I never wore gloves to mix up chemicals to kill the grass. We even used gloves to change our oils in the mowers. It's really important. I plan on starting my own service careers during the summer, cleaning up people's yards, helping them out with all their needs with lawn care. This class would be good if you like hands-on learning. I enjoy taking like the weed eaters apart and the edgers. I like taking those apart and putting them back together. I like driving the tractors and the forklifts, the zero-turn mowers. They are really fun to drive. We go outside, we do all the landscaping out here. We weed eat, spray, mow. The service careers program is really good. You get to do a lot of hands-on work.